Hello, friends. Good evening. I hope you are doing well and I hope you are safe at your places. I know due to this COVID 19 pandemic, many of us are not able to go outside, many of us are not able to do the things that you would really love to do. But yes, we have to deal with it, we have to be very patient about it, and we have to be really careful while going outside. And in today's video, I'm gonna ask a very common question. For last 2 months, many students and many working professionals have been asking this question to me. Sir, is there any way to learn English without attending classes? And some working professionals say that, sir, we don't have time to learn from a trainer, to learn from a mentor. So is there any way which can help us to improve our speaking skills? Let me tell you, my friends, yes, there are so many ways to learn a language. There are so many ways to improve your speaking skills. But in today's video, I'm gonna share one very powerful technique which has helped me in personal life to improve my speaking skills. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end so that you can get the answer of this question. Friends, let me ask you a question. Did you learn your mother tongue or did you acquire it? I know your answer. You acquired it. You learned how to speak by using your mother tongue from your environment. Nobody taught you that this is how you should speak, this is how you should speak. No, nobody taught us. We simply listened to people around us, and day by day we started implementing the learnings. This is how we acquire a language. My second question for you. Did you learn how to play cricket or did you acquire how to play cricket? Yes, I know the answer, my friends. You acquired the skill which is needed to play cricket by doing that again and again and again. Just like that, yes, English speaking skill is a learnable skill which can be acquired even without going to any training institutions. But yes, thinking about something is easy, but doing something is difficult. Planning something is easy, but getting the desired result is difficult. So friends, I'm gonna talk about a process which can help you to improve your speaking skills. But yes, it also needs your commitment. It also needs consistent action. Let's take an example of eating salad. Many of us know that eating salad is a good habit. And if you make it a part of your diet, it will help you a lot to stay healthy. But do you think eating salad only once in a week will give you a lot of benefits? No, you have to make a part of your daily diet. That is how you get the desired result. That is how you become healthy. Just like that, the step that I'm gonna share with you will be really helpful for you and will also give you result. But you have to do it on a daily basis. You have to do it consistently. So yes, there are different ways of acquiring a language. But this technique is one of the most useful technique that has helped me in my personal life to improve my speaking skill. And that is watching videos in English. And when I say watching videos in English, I'm not asking you to watch videos, random videos. No, you have to watch a specific set of videos which can help you to improve your English. So, recommendation. Friends, you can start watching conversation videos on YouTube. I know due to this pandemic, we all are getting a lot of time, and most of us are spending hours and hours on YouTube. Can't we spend 30 minutes to watch conversation videos where people interact with each other and whatever they speak, you can also get the subtitle. So it is a really powerful way, and it is a really important process to improve your listening skill and speaking skill. The second thing that can help you to improve your English is watching English TV series. Yeah, friend, for this, you have to pay some price, because if you take the subscription of Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, you have to pay the price for the subscription. But believe me, whatever you will invest for this, you will get the return for sure. Start watching English TV series. The reason I recommended to watch English TV series is English TV series doesn't end. Even if it ends, it goes for hours and hours and hours. For every English TV series, you will get at least 5 to 6 seasons, and in every season there are more than 10 or 15 episodes, which will help you to stay connected with a fixed number of speakers. And if you listen to them, definitely you will improve your listening skill. And once you improve your listening skill, once you improve the way you understand English, you will be able to use those phrases, those words, those expressions in your day-to-day life. So friends, through this video, I just want you to tell that start watching videos in English, conversation videos on YouTube, and TV series on Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime. You can also download English TV series if you can. So do it, friends, and let me know whether it is useful for you or not. Thank you so much.